So today I'm gonna be taking a video of all the parts, all the tools that we need to do this. First I gotta actually push the car. So what's up, guys? You're gonna see what I see on my phone right here in this area. Just to let you guys know what we're looking at here. So we're just gonna do this. By the way, this is not sponsored by ECS Tuning, but this is mostly where I get my parts for my Volkswagen. So as you can see, this is the timing chain kit, supposedly the ultimate timing chain kit, assembled by ECS. Got all the details right here. I got a Volkswagen GTI, basically Golf GTI, you know, all submodels, 2.0 turbo. I like that it gives you the description of all the things. Oil pan gasket, Torx bolt right there. I got two of them. You get two of these, two of those. You know, the whole gist. You get guide rails. You get the timing chain, upper and lower. You get the tensioner also. That's the new updated tensioner. So it looks like we got two reviews. One says include set. It's great, don't get me wrong. It was included to do with the service, but you need to buy the lower cover separately. Clearly, if the guy was looking at the picture, there ain't no lower cover. So, you know, you get what you buy right there. Some other guy put 2013 GLI, did the job at 133,000 miles, wasn't having any issues, just wanted to be safe. You know the whole thing right there, the whole gist of it. But this is the one I'm going to be getting. Should be fine, fitting the car perfectly fine. Yeah, 312, not bad. I've seen some for like $500. Oh wait, this is probably like close to the cheapest one I've seen. There's another one, but you get to choose what you want to buy. You don't have to get guide rails and all that, but I'm gonna get them just in case. So yeah. Let's see. I gotta pick some. Free shipping. Anything over $50 free shipping. You can do a payment plan, but you know, interest always kills people. Gonna have to block that out. You could choose round, 2-day, first day. You know what I mean? $371. That's pretty good. That's how much I was gonna originally pay on it. I'll ship out August 10th. I tried pushing it earlier, but it wouldn't go. Are you gonna shout me out?
What do you mean?
You gonna shout me out?
On Instagram?
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
The other day, but I didn't know, like...
Hold on. I gotta unblur your fucking face right now then.
Why?
Because whoever doesn't shout me out gets their face blurred. right, now for sure. We're gonna have a pop tag for you. Just like that. Just like that.